how to replace the receiver for your remote on the Moor-O-Matic Z133. I have an older house. This is what came with it. This is the unit that goes right in here. I just unscrewed that. It looks like actually my wiring was wrong. Someone had put two on the common and not one on the remote spot, so that might have been my problem all along. But I've decided to go ahead and replace this with a aftermarket unit. So this is the unit I went with. It is a, well, it's not really aftermarket, it's linear digital control Delta 3. And to go ahead and do this, it's got to be mounted like this on the unit. Unfortunately, this box here is bigger than this box, so it's going to set out, but that's okay. It's no big deal. You have these nice little brackets that come with it. You need to run these this way so you could actually reach the common, relay, and the power, which are the 1, 2, 3 units here. It tells you right that on the back, and you want to make sure you go ahead and set your codes for your garage door opener. These are the remote controls I bought for the garage door. I'll leave a link for them in there. Basically just open the back area here and you code to whatever you coded over there. We'll go over, I actually did the setup already. It's a little hard to do with the, turn back on your power. But it's a little hard to do with the camera, so I apologize, but I'll just show you what I did here. So I do have the unit in here. It does kind of head out because, like I said, it doesn't really fit in this space here, but that's okay. I think what I'm gonna do is just put a little black tape on here just so that's all covered from dust. But I had to run basically everything goes through the common wire. There's nothing that goes in this radio input in this example. And then these two wires are already connected where they are there, but basically the external obstacle and the common, and then the push button input to the common. And that's what's working for me. It worked great. And I now have a garage door with garage door openers that work again. So hopefully that helped you out too. I know this unit is something that not a lot of people talk about. And this little was about $40 buy for the unit and $20 for the remote. So about 60, 70 bucks. We'll go ahead and get you all set back up.